Welcome to Tavira, probably one of the most beautiful hidden gems in the whole of the Algarve region of Portugal. We're really excited to bring you here today and share with you everything that Tavira has to offer. One of the most popular things to do in Tavira is to visit its historic Moorish castle, built in the 11th century. It's a gorgeous place to have and explore.
Castle ruins turned into a beautiful garden. Yep, they made use of all the old poinsettias. They're all in the ground, growing again. We'll go off and around then. I know you love heights. Yeah, it's almost a shame, isn't it? Because that is just misty, but it'd be a lovely cityscape as well.
It's a lemon tree.
That should be a good view behind me, but it really isn't because it is just misty. But it is quite stunning from the top of the town. But yeah, it's just too misty to see much. What a shame.
Suffering with short leg syndrome.
You just need longer legs.
I need longer legs.
Or smaller castle walls.
Huh?
Or a smaller castle wall. You made it! Oh, they are less steep than the ones going up. The ones going up are quite steep.
They are short.
These are better for short people, are they?
Yeah, they're better for short people.
And on our way back from the castle, back toward the historic centre, we stumbled upon this. An archaeological dig. Some more amazingly well preserved Roman ruins. This place just keeps on giving.
Michelle's double thumbs up for New Year's Eve.
I am. That'll be it now. It's 5 to 7. I'll be in bed by 9.
We're going to go for 5 past, but it is quite pretty. They've lit the bridge and all down the edge. It's quite nice, yeah. She doesn't mean to be quite so glum.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, I'm already so moved on. It's scary, I'm my way, you left me.
So we're taking Michelle on a New Year's Day meander to find something. What are we going to find?
An anchor cemetery.
That's right, rusty metal. And it's only about an hour and a half's walk away. So not too far, and it's good for you. Stop number 1 on the walk. We seem to have found a beautiful little village. Right by the seaside. We finally made it to the bridge. So now we're going to go across the bridge in search of our graveyard of anchors. So they do exist.
Yeah.
So despite all the wind, this is what we have come to see. This is the unique, the amazing graveyard of anchors. It's home to, I don't know, countless anchors from countless ships that have all been washed up on the banks of this Taviran bit of the Algarve. What a unique and stunning place. Once you pass the cemetery, you get the chance to learn all about the maritime history of this place and its fishing sort of history. It's great, but once you're past it, there is just this amazing, beautiful, beautiful beach.
What are we come to see?
The graveyard of anchors. It's stunning actually, aren't they?
Better than rusty metal.
Yeah, they're there for a reason, aren't they?
To reflect the seafaring heritage of the area.
Then you've got a beautiful beach. What would you ask for? We didn't come very well prepared though, did we?
No swimming stuff.
No.
Silly dipping only for you.
Yeah.
So guys, that brings kind of a nice end to our time in Tavira. It's a gorgeous little place on the Algarve. Remember to stop here and have a look round. Obviously jump on the channel, give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.